Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeast New York, Putnam County in southeast New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from an area of thunderstorms over the warned area. Rainfall rates of over 2 inches per hour are expected with this activity, resulting in flash flooding across portions of the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield and New Haven, and the following counties in New York, Putnam, and Westchester.
Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service